Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we'll learn asynchronous JavaScript with project. In my upcoming videos, I will show you how to work with asynchronous JavaScript using callbacks, promises, waits, and async await. Before starting the project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created a playlist on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started by understanding what is asynchronous JavaScript. JavaScript is a single-threaded, meaning it can only do one thing at a time. But sometimes we don't want our code to wait for the talks to finish before moving on. This is where asynchronous programming comes in. It lets JavaScript perform tasks in the background without blocking the main thread. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You place your order, and instead of standing there waiting, you go chat with friends. When your food is ready, the server notifies you. In JavaScript, asynchronous code works the same way. Tasks run in the background, and JavaScript handles when they are done. Let's see a simple example using setTimeout. Here, even though setTimeout is called in the middle, JavaScript doesn't wait. It prints start, then end, and finally after 2 seconds, it prints the message from timeout. That's asynchronous behavior in action. Now, let's see a real-time example using the Fetch API to get data from an API. Even though the data takes some time to arrive from the server, the last console log runs immediately. JavaScript doesn't block. It handles the fetch asynchronously. Asynchronous program is essential for smooth, responsive apps. You've just seen how JavaScript can handle multiple tasks without freezing your app. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll understand synchronous and asynchronous code. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.